The technology connecting people to people. The technology connecting the now and the future. Where the environment and human beings coexist. HANWHA Tech M, pursuing the dream of 21st centurial up-to-date engineering. For over 50 years, HANWHA has been a leader in technology advancements in various industries. HANWHA Machinery is the leader in markets such as factory automation, machine tools, automobile assembly lines, and much more. Since its inception, HANWHA Machinery has grown to become a world-class builder of CNC Swiss-style machines. We have expanded to be the #1 producer in Korea and ship globally to over 40 countries. Our growing teams of highly skilled engineers are working tirelessly to design new products that will provide a competitive advantage to our customers. Our recently expanded manufacturing facility is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, allowing us to provide the highest quality machine tools sold today. At HANWHA, our goal is to strive to advance society through our technological innovation and consistent product improvement. The XP12-16 series was designed to replace single-spindle cam-style lathes. This machine tool, offered at a competitive price, will open new doors, not only in replacing older designs, but also opening new doors to first-time Swiss lathe buyers. The XP12-16S series has a compact design, yet is equipped with an innovative tool arrangement that allows our customers to machine simple parts. Simultaneous ID front and back working minimizes cycle times. The 3-cross working live tools and full C-axis control ensures no secondary operations are needed. Competitive pricing will also open doors to first-time buyers and also fill in a nice part of the marketplace. The XP20S series has a new cross-driven holder arrangement. This machine arrangement will allow simpler parts to be machined at a competitive price, allowing our customer base to choose among our vast selection of machine tools. The XD20-26 series provides our customers with speed, accuracy, and precision unparalleled in the industry. With full C-axis on both spindles and a wide variety of live tooling options, the XD20H is the perfect choice for the medical industry. The modular live tooling design makes the XD20H one of the most versatile machines available today. The XD32-35 series provides our customers with speed, accuracy, and precision unparalleled in the industry. With full C-axis on both spindles and a wide variety of live tooling options, the XD32H is the perfect choice for the medical industry. The modular live tooling design makes the XD32H one of the most versatile machines available today. The weight and strength of the machine is giving our customers a competitive edge in the market. The XD Non-Guide Bush series gives our customers another option in machine tool design. With 7 cutting axes and a wide variety of tooling available, our customers have a competitive advantage in the machining of short yet complex parts with much less bar remnant. The non-guide bushing design allows us to machine 12-foot bars and leave only a 2-inch remnant, which saves cost when machining expensive materials such as titanium. The innovative 60-degree slant bed design and 15 horsepower spindle motors and 8 HP from the VDI 30 turret makes the STL3235H the most powerful Swiss-style machine available today. 72 possible tool configurations make it also one of the most versatile. With the Siemens 840D 13-axis control, even the most difficult machining is made simple. Never before has a Swiss-style machine been able to take the massive cuts that the STL32H allows our customers to take. We also manufacture the most powerful KCG Series Center less grinding machine. Currently, we do not export to the United States, but we still supply customers case by case. Maximizing customers' value with the highest quality and highest technology. Continued growth with the establishment of a global network spanning the 5 oceans and 6 continents, and responsible for social contributions as a member of the global society. HANWHA will practice future-oriented management and value management that connects people with people, connects the now and the future, and connects the environment and human beings. Thank you very much.